In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through a quick and easy step on how to log into your Shein application using your mobile device. If you're trying to log in and access your Shein account from your mobile device, then you can first download the Shein mobile application on your smartphone and tap on it to launch it open. This will now take you to the main homepage or the shop page for Shein. Tap on the Me button located at the bottom right, and then you'll be able to see the sign in/register button at the top left. Tap on the button, and if you already have an account, go ahead and type in your mobile number or your email address associated with your existing account in the text box. If you're new to Shein and you'd like to create a new account, you can go ahead and enter the new mobile number or email address in the text box, or join in with the help of your Google account, Facebook account, or Apple account. Here in my case, I'm gonna type in the mobile number or the email address associated with my existing account. Type in your information and tap on continue. On the next page, you'll need to type in your password. Make sure to type in the correct password that you created while signing up for Shein and tap on the sign in button. But if you're having trouble remembering your password, tap the forgot your password link and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end to reset to a new password. After tapping on sign in, you'll be able to log into your Shein account. That is how you can easily log in or sign into Shein using the Shein mobile application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, do it right now by tapping on the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell right next to it so that you'll never miss another of future upcoming updates from us. I'll soon be back with more of these helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.